asuntosykeyhtiö säästö Kaitansa.
And today it's the 27th of October 2022, when we have Iivisniemenkatu, Iivisniemenkatu 4, staircase C. It's here in Iivisnies and Kaitas, but the metro station should have been named Iivisnies. Here in Espoo, Helsingfor's region, also one in Finland. Just a bit more than a month until the last stretch of the metro line will open, but it's 4 years late. The capacity is for 3 berths of 25 grams, and it was built in 1970 and turned 50 years old in 2020. The serial is H18316. It's going to be inspected next year, 2023. Stack 2 right here.
Iskuttiin paikki, mä iskutan, että mä teen paisille.
Yeah. I love the sounds of here.
No, same.
Maybe this is from the beginning of 1970.
Yeah.
Now that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the last of the elevators here in Iivisniemenkatu. And the rest of them.
That's